Hi, my name is Sandhya and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are preparing Karnataka style veg pulao. The ingredients required for this dish is given in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell, and also like, share and comment. So the first step in this recipe is to make a masala paste, for which we need garlic, ginger, green chillies, some sliced onion, coriander leaves and mint leaves, grated coconut and half a cup of water. So we'll add all of these ingredients into a mixie and make a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Let's keep this aside and start working on the pulao. So we'll also need some raw rice which I've soaked for 30 minutes and then drained and kept ready. I've used sona masuri rice here. You can use any raw rice of your choice. You need curry leaves, chopped tomatoes, sliced onions, vegetables of your choice. I've used potato, green peas, green beans and carrot. You can also add cauliflower to this dish. Then we need some whole spices like bay leaf, cinnamon, star anise, clove and green cardamom. I've also kept some peanuts ready in here. Apart from this, we'll need salt to taste and oil to cook the dish. So let's start. So I've got some oil heating up in a pressure pan. Into that, we'll add in the whole spices. We'll cook the whole spices for a minute or so and then add in the sliced onions. Let's saute the onions for a few minutes. Once the onions soften, we'll add in the chopped tomatoes and the curry leaves. We'll also add in the peanuts. Now we'll cook this until the tomato softens. Once the tomato softens, we'll add in the prepared masala paste into it. Let's cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the masala paste is done, we'll add in the vegetables. Mix well to coat the vegetables in the masala. Now let's add salt to taste. Now it's time to add water. I've got 2 cups of lukewarm water in here, which I'm pouring into the vegetables. Now this water needs to come to a boil, so let's wait. Once the water starts boiling, we'll add in the drained rice that we've kept ready. Mix everything well. And now we'll bring the water to a boil once again. So the water has started boiling. Now we'll close the pressure cooker. We'll cook this on medium heat for 2 whistles. Once it's cooked, wait for the pressure to release completely before opening the pressure cooker. You can serve this veg pulao with some raita and papad or some kurma. Do try out this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.